Hola muchachos, Feliz Navidad. So, I haven't given a video update in a while, and it just felt like the easiest thing to do. Taking a couple days off and cleaning up the studio, trying to get ready and kick some projects out the door. Projects such as these toasted oak bourbon barrels, bourbon tumblers. Got to turn them into a Karen shape and then smoke the inside. Got 2 lathes so I can make them 2 at a time. Got a total 8 to get hopefully kicked out the door by Friday so Santa can include them on his delivery route by Christmas. Other than that, Donnie's been really busy making stuff on the lathe. It's a fair amount of stuff and mess to clean up. Lots of resin things. What else am I working on? Listening to Satin Jackets in the background. The wood stove is bubbling away, nice and happy. Even on its lowest setting, it'll keep the workshop about, when it got down to 3 degrees, it was as low as 50, 55, which is all I need it to be, just so it's not freezing. I am working on a laser project. I don't know if you guys can see that through the reflection or not. I don't want to show too much because it's a Christmas gift for a couple people. A couple people that are Star Wars nerdy, like us. But at least I can see the workbench again. Casting is all done for the year. No more aluminite. I've got a couple cast resin class ornament things. I'm going to invite some people over. Some makeup stuff for students who didn't get to hit the class last Saturday when we had Snowmageddon here in Columbus. What else is going on? This is going to be drawers and shelves for the CNC, which is a bit of a hot mess right now. I've got to finish a small Darth Vader head. It's going to go on here, and that will pretty much finish me doing some beginning stuff on the CNC. And then I've got tons of green wood that need to be turned into a lot of natural edge bolt blanks for walnut. The bandsaw that is an absolute disaster from all the cast resin shavings that were put on it. And then just putting a few things away and making it so that I can move around the studio. I absolutely hate working in a mess. I can't work efficiently and I get real frustrated real fast. And all kinds of works out because I'm out here today and not really having a lot of inspiration. Kind of like pushing a rope today, and what works for me in that situation is I've just got to show up. I've just got to be here and wait for my muse to make an appearance, because if I'm not here, it doesn't matter if she showed up or not. So I'm hoping she'll make an appearance here shortly. Hope everybody is staying warm out there. It's supposed to be up, 56 tomorrow, which will be the 18th. Thursday it's supposed to be up to 56. Get rain, so don't go too crazy shoveling snow and stuff like that. Anywho, take care of you and yours. Hope your holiday season is going well. Happy Hanukkah to my Jewish friends. And we will talk to you guys soon.